A debt agreement can be a great solution to your financial problems, giving you the breathing space you need to pay creditors a comfortable amount and providing a foreseeable end to your unsecured debt. Entering into one does come with consequences though, one of them being a mark on your credit file. This can be a concern for those that may be looking to apply for a home loan in the future. The default that you get from lodging a debt agreement lasts for approximately 5 years unless your agreement runs for longer. So if you're wondering if you will ever be able to get a mortgage, the answer is most likely yes. Assuming your agreement runs for 5 years, your credit file will be restored after 5 years, and the only remaining record will be on the National Personal Insolvency Index. This one is rarely looked at by the banks as they would have to pay a fee every time they search it. The idea of a minimum 5-year default is still very daunting for some, but when looked at realistically, the overall impact of the default is not only fairly minimal, but also a bit of a blessing in disguise. Because getting a mortgage is not just a matter of having a clean credit file, there is also the matter of having a healthy deposit. By entering into a debt agreement, you can completely settle your unsecured debts within a 3 to 5 year period, which you can put that money aside after into a savings account and be ready with a deposit when the default is removed. And don't forget, having a default on your file doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot get credit. The pressure of dealing with overwhelming debt can make it hard to see past the next month, let alone the next 5 years. If you feel that you could benefit from a formal debt arrangement but are worried about the future, call the friendly team at the Debt Agreement Advice Centre on 1800 653 485.